Okay. Meditation Scout asked a month ago. I'm so sorry. Hey, Mr. Giles, I was wondering if you know how to adjust the transition in between audio to have smooth transitions from song to song. If you could share some info, it would be helpful. Yes, I do. I'm going to make a video right now. Here's what you do. So I've got two songs. I hope you can hear this. This is an experiment for me too. So let's see if this works. It's going to be kind of loud, but I apologize. Okay, so there was a transition. It wasn't very smooth. To make it smooth, I'm going to click on the first clip, and over here on fade, I'm going to move my face here. I'm going to fade out. I'm going to fade the end or the outro of that clip. I'm going to give it a 1 or 2 second fade out. I'm going to give it 2 seconds. And then the other clip, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to give it a fade in of 2 seconds. Now, let's listen to that. Okay. And you can play with that and slide them over a little. That's a pretty nice transition. And that's how you do that. I just did it with two. You can do that with anything. I actually do that with a lot of sounds. I like to transition between sounds or dialogue, even from one clip to another. I do really for dialogue. I'll do very short little fades, like a half a second or less, just so that there's not like a abrupt cutoff. Audio is a lot of fun to play with, and fading in and out to make a smooth transition, especially like it just creates a very cool sense of everything working together the way it should, instead of it just ending like this song ends and this song starts. I love that transitioning in. I hope that helps, Meditation Scout, and thanks for asking that question, and have a great day.